You ever listen to financial news and it feels like they're speaking another language? Let me fix that in 60 seconds. I'm Jay Cole. I'm an investor, a trader, and a Bitcoin strategist, and this is Wealth State. All those talking heads using terms you've never heard. Sounds confusing? Term number one, a bull market versus a bear market. A bull market is like a raging bull, unstoppable, headed to the top. So the market's going up. A bear market, think about it, if you're from Chicago, like bear down, but essentially going down. The market is very bearish. That means the market is declining. So bull market goes up, bear market goes down. But here's the real game. You can make money in both markets if you know how to position. Term number two, buying the dip. This just means buying when prices fall. But most people get this wrong. They wait for confirmation and they miss the move. That Microsoft and Meta play happened like that. If I had been waiting for confirmation, the bottom, I would have missed it. Term three, and it's referred to as a correction. That's when the market as a whole, so the S&P 500, for instance, drops about 10%. Not a crash, not the end, but a lot of times it can't run hot forever. So if the market is just having a ton of green days, it just seems like it won't slow down, at some point it does. So market correction is really just a mild reset and often an opportunity to buy in. Term four, volatility. High volatility means big swings. So stocks that are often referred to as volatile would be like Tesla, for instance. And for some, if you know what you're doing, that's where the money is. Bitcoin is another example of volatility. I mean, a few months ago, Bitcoin was over $100,000. Now it's right around $77,000. That's definitely volatile. That's a 30% drop. Most people can't stomach that. Term five, I use this a lot, options. This is how I amplify my returns. When you're buying options, you're buying a contract. I'll have to break this down further later, but instead of buying the actual stock for simple terms, you're buying the move, if you will. I'm buying and making a prediction that the price is going to head in a certain direction. I usually bet on call options, which means going up, and then I do leaps, which is longer term, so 6 months, a year, 2 years. Oftentimes, these are more expensive because you're literally paying for time. Options is what I use so that I can turn a 20% move in a stock to 80 or 100% plus gains. Most people stay broke in the market because they don't even understand the language. You don't need to know everything, but you do need to know enough to move. All right, that's Wealth State. I don't just explain it, I show you how to play it. Follow for more if you're ready to stop guessing and start moving with intention.